Hey, all right. So this is a pre-intro to the intro I've already done, which doesn't make much sense, but I'll explain why now. So what it is, this video is just me. My daughter's car was due for an MOT, so I had a quick look around the car and I found a couple of jobs. It was the what was it? It was the brake light bulb and the downpipe gasket was blowing. So I had to do them jobs before she nipped off to go for an MOT. So I thought, you know, these days I film everything. You got to have new. If I want to be a serious YouTuber, I got to film everything. But I'm putting this up of me doing my daughter's MOT. It's only a few clips, but what I want to know is from my subscribers, should I bother putting videos up like this, or just leave it and wait until I got something more viable to put up? Or do you mind these little videos like this just to go in between the other videos? Because I've noticed that some videos I put up, some people don't like. You can see the subscribers go down a few when I put a different video to what I did last time. So they've obviously came for a specific, I can't say, I can't say the word. I'm not going to say it. They've come for a certain type of video, okay? And then when the next video comes out, it's not quite the same as the last one. So they naff off, they go, I'm not staying here anymore. So if I put videos out like this, does it get on your nerves or do you not mind? I'd like to know. It's nice to know who the subscribers are to see me or just certain things. Anyway, I'll crack on with the bit I filmed earlier. Hey, alright folks, now then, it's wobble cam today, but I don't know if you can see in the background there, see there, it's hard to point to, but there is a silver car. It's my daughter's car, it's her MOT today, got to do two jobs, back brake light, done that job, that's done, in the bank, quite easy, 2 screws, put the light out because there's two retaining things on the other side of the light, easy peasy, done that. But for some reason on this car, the gasket keeps going on the downpipe to the rest of the exhaust. So I'm going to go under the car now. I got it jacked up, I got an axle stand under it, so everything's tickety-boo. Let's jump under the car and see if I can fix the exhaust. Let's go. Ahoy! Right, there you go, this is the exhaust gasket I bought, EMG060, just a weird looking thing like this. I hope it's the right one anyway. It's the second time I've had to buy one for this car. I wonder if the engine mount's a bit loose. Anyway, if I look under here, let me put the light on. It's quite easy to get to, look. There it is here, look. The gasket has completely disappeared. When I put the one on last time, all these bolts had rusted away, so I've had to put new bolts through here. So I can undo these now and see if it fits. It's a bit wet under here because she's just taken the car for a wash before it goes for MOT, so it looks nice and sparkly. But anyway, I'm going to undo these now. I think these are like 14s and 15s or something. And I'll see if it fits on. So I was going to show you the old gaskety thing that came out and I couldn't find it. I was looking everywhere and then I went to touch my hat and it's up there, look. It's stuck to my head. That's the gasket that fell out, is destroyed. It's fallen to bits. Anyway, it was on my head. So I've let me turn that around. Let me put that there. So I've done that. I've put the you probably won't be able to see anything, but I'll put it in there anyway. You might be able to see something shiny in the middle somewhere. Can you see it in there? I'm not quite sure. There's a new gasket in there. There is one in there. Trust me. Can you see it? No, you can't. So there's one in there. That is done. I've had a quick look under the car. I can't see anything untoward. The gate does look pretty good. We'll see when it goes through the MOT. Oh, there's a spider, look. There we are, look. is a Spider going to go for an MOT? Anyway, another one there as well. Was that the same one? No, that's the same one. Anyway, I'm waffling. Let's get up. I thought I'd show how easy it is to take the backlight off. It's one screw there, like bolt, whatever you want to call it. Take that out of there, like that. And there's another one down here, like that. Pretty simple. Let's take that out of there, like that. I'll show you it's exactly the same on the other side. One there, and a bonus leaf, bit of dirt. And then with them out there, on this side, you just try and give it a little pull. Give it a little pull, like that, okay? Little pull. I'll show you. One locator there, look, see? There, and there. And then this slides out from under the bumper. Slides out, like that. Once it's slid out, you can tilt it backwards. And there you go. All these are they twist out. Easy peasy. Really easy to change the lights. Just pop them back in like that, and you put the screws back in. That's as easy as that. It couldn't be any easier, could it? There we go. Okay folks, so the car went for the MOT and it passed with flying colours, as the guy said in the MOT station, because it had no advisories. So that was great. Anyway, that's the end of the video. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment below, do all them sorts of things, and I'll see you in the next one. Hoo-hoo!